The Huawei Mate X-T's Ultimate is a groundbreaking foldable smartphone that distinguishes itself with a unique trifold design. This allows it to function as a regular smartphone, a dual-screen device, and a full-fledged tablet. It is an evolution of Huawei's Mate X-T, building upon its innovative form factor with refined features and updated specifications. Here are the pros, cons, special feature and overall conclusion. For pros. Innovative trifold design. The ability to unfold into a 10.2-inch tablet is a significant advantage for productivity and media consumption, offering a larger screen than standard foldables. Premium build and design. The device is incredibly thin when unfolded and features a high-end, durable hinge system. The overall craftsmanship is a major highlight. Versatile camera system. The XMage camera setup with a variable aperture, periscope telephoto lens with 5.5x optical zoom, and a high-resolution ultra-wide camera delivers excellent photo quality. Large battery and fast charging. A 5,600 mAh battery combined with fast 66W wired and 50W wireless charging provides good endurance and quick power-ups. Advanced software. In China, HarmonyOS offers a highly optimized and efficient user experience, particularly with multitasking features and PC-level interactions that make the most of the large screen. For cons. Lack of Google Mobile Services, GMS. Due to US sanctions, the device does not have official GMS support outside of China, which is a significant drawback for users reliant on Google apps and services. Workarounds exist but can be inconvenient. Limited chipset performance. While the Kirin 9020 is a capable processor, it may not match the performance of the latest chipsets from Qualcomm or MediaTek. Furthermore, it is limited to 4G connectivity in many regions outside of China. No IP rating. The phone lacks an official ingress protection, IP. Rating for water and dust resistance, which is a notable omission for a high-end device. High price. The Huawei Mate X-T's Ultimate is a super premium product with a very high price tag, making it an investment that may not be justifiable for the average consumer. Visible creases. While the creases have been minimized, they are still present and noticeable. For special features. Trifold display, the most prominent feature, allowing for 3 distinct usage modes, a compact smartphone, a dual-screen device, and a large tablet. Variable aperture camera. The main 50MP camera has a 10-size adjustable physical aperture, ranging from f/1.4 to f/4.0, giving users greater control over depth of field and light intake for professional-grade photos. Satellite connectivity. In China, the device supports BDS satellite calling and messaging, a unique feature for emergency communication in areas without cellular reception. M Pen 3 stylus support. The inclusion of stylus support enhances the device's productivity capabilities, making it ideal for note-taking, drawing, and precise navigation on the large screen. HarmonyOS multi-window. The software is optimized for the trifold display, with PC-level interaction technology that allows for flexible resizing and adaptation of app windows, creating a desktop-like multitasking experience. Overall conclusion. The Huawei Mate X-T's Ultimate is an engineering marvel and a significant step forward in the foldable phone market. Its trifold design is a game-changer, offering a level of versatility and screen real estate that no other mainstream foldable can match. The hardware is top-tier, featuring a beautiful display, a versatile camera system, and a robust battery with fast charging. It is a device for early adopters and tech enthusiasts who want the latest in mobile technology and are not deterred by its high price. However, the major limitations, particularly the lack of GMS and the limited performance of the Kirin chipset, compared to its rivals, make it a challenging recommendation for a global audience. For consumers within Huawei's native ecosystem in China, the Mate X-T's Ultimate is a groundbreaking and highly functional device. For others, it is a tantalizing glimpse into the future of mobile devices that is currently hampered by geopolitical factors.